In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage your domains using your Wix account, and we'll make sure you know exactly what to do each step of the way. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Make your way over to wix.com where you'll be greeted by the familiar login page. If you've already saved your login credentials, this part should be a breeze. Just click that login button and you're in. If you haven't visited in a while, you might have to enter your email address and password, so keep those handy. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here's where all the magic happens. Make sure you select the specific website you want to manage. Sometimes navigating through multiple websites can get a bit confusing, but remember, if you have multiple sites, each one will have its own dashboard. You'll want to pick the one related to the domain you intend to manage today. Clicking on the right site brings you to its dedicated dashboard, positioning you perfectly for the next step. Now let's move on over to the domain settings. Look carefully at the menu on your dashboard. You're going to need to click on settings. This option gives you a whole range of possibilities, but our focus today is on domains. Once you click on settings, navigate to the domains option. It's nicely laid out, so with a little scrolling, you should spot it quite easily. Once you're in the domain section, you'll be presented with a list of all the domains currently linked to your selected website. It's here that you can manage, check, and modify various domain settings. Have a look at each domain listed there. Take your time to make sure you're reviewing the correct domain. This is particularly important if you're managing several domains to get the specifics right. Selecting the domain you want to review or manage is as simple as a single click. When selected, a whole range of management options will open up to you, giving you comprehensive control over that domain settings. Now is a good time to mention that if there's anything specific you're trying to adjust, whether it's DNS settings or renewal details, you'll find those options in here. This part of the portal offers you the flexibility to manage your domain efficiently. So explore the settings carefully and utilize any necessary options that meet your needs. And there you have it, logging into your Wix account, navigating over to domains, and managing your selected domain, all done smoothly and efficiently from the comfort of your dashboard. With these steps mastered, managing your domains will be a seamless process moving forward. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help optimize your website management experience.